Waitressing?
Yeah, that's what I was
Are
wondering.
you going to open a tea shop when you... I think she's going to be a,
There's going to be a calling for that.
Should be a sommelier.
aquatic dynamics, or
Okay. Hey, Uncle.
hydraulic dynamics. There you go.
She could be a bartender.
Yes.
Bartender sounds like more fun.
We have higher expectations than a coffee shop waitress.
Well, that's not so good. There's more. Is this one the one in the blue, the rest of the tea?
Yes. Well, there's some tea. That one has a little bit of caffeine in it, so I've been pointing adults to the one with the yellow lid. That was good job picking which one needed some. Which one was full. Oh, careful. That's okay. Everybody spills.